Hello friends, today we will go to study parallel RLC circuit. First of all, we will draw the circuit. Let's consider the circuit like this. This is resistance, this is inductance, and this is capacitance, which is further connected to a voltage source, which provides the voltage. The current comes here, IC current goes there, and inductance current goes there. Now, as we know that, first of all we made the phasor diagram. This is voltage, this is IC current, this is IL at angle phi due to this resistance. The phase difference not is pi by 2, but it becomes at phi angle, phi L angle. So that we resolve it, it becomes IL sin phi L and IL cos phi L. Okay. Now, as we see here in this phasor diagram, IC is equals to IL sin phi L. This is equation number 1. Now, as we know, IC is VC by XC. IL is V by XC. IL is V by Z. This the impedance of this RL combination into my sin phi L. Sin phi L is from this impedance triangle we get sin phi L value. This is phi, this is R, this is Z, and this is XL. Now from this we get XL by Z. Now we will cut the voltages. Z square बराबर XL XC. Now further we write the formula of XL and XC. That is omega L into 1 by omega C. Omega cancel, L by C. Z square equals to L by C. This is equation number 2. Now we will from this Z square बराबर L by C. As we know, Z equals to under root of R square plus में XL minus XC का whole square. But for this combination RL, XC becomes 0 and only XL. So that Z square बराबर R square plus में XL का whole square. Now from this equation we will write the value of Z square, that is L by C. Right here L by C बराबर R square plus में XL का whole square. Now we put the value of XL, so we get omega square L square equals to plus R square equals to L by C. Now from this we will find the value of omega, so that we get resistance and RHS minus R square. Now omega square बराबर L by C L square minus R square by L square. Omega is now under root में L by 1 by LC minus R square by L square. Here this R square by L square value is negligible, so we can neglect it. Thus the value become under root of 1 by under root of LC, which is same as in series combination. Thank you.